Hi guys, it's the Global Online Math Tutor. And in this video, I'm going to talk about strategies to prepare for your math test. I know I know that a lot of high school students and university students, they hate tests. They despite it just makes you more anxious and worry, and they put so much weight on it. And I agree with you. I don't like tests myself. I think they just add a lot of stress to the student. Unfortunately, there are teachers that do that, and you have no choice to do them, right? But here are some strategies that will help you when you're taking a test. Okay, so here are my strategies. These are strategies that I've developed as a high school student and a university student. So I want to share some of those strategies with you in this video. Okay. So the first one I wanted to stress, which is an obvious one, is to have a good night rest before your test. Okay, or your exam. A lot of students don't do that, and this is a big mistake. You need to get your beauty sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, make sure your mom reads you a bedtime story. Okay, or listen to some music. Some You can go on YouTube and search some music, some sleeping music to help you sleep. Make sure you don't drink tea or coffee before your test, because if you drink tea or coffee on the day of your test, you're not going to be able to you won't be able to sleep. Okay, and that's not a good idea. And that leads to so yeah, and make sure you sleep at least. So this is a tip. Don't sleep. A lot of they sleep only 2 hours before they sleep before the night of their exam. They would sleep like 2 hours, 3 hours. No, no, sleep at least 8 hours undisrupted. To turn off your alarm, make sure you sleep at least 8 hours undisrupted. You want to have your beauty sleep. Think of yourself as sleeping beauty. You want to sleep for 8 hours. Okay. So make sure you sleep for 8 hours straight, okay? Undisruptive, okay? Number number one. Number two, this leads to follow. Stay away from any source, any caffeine like chocolate, uh, on the day of your test. This is what I mean on the test. And the night before your test, stay away from caffeine like coffee, tea, chocolate. Okay, eat some if you know because I know you want to drink caffeine because it gives you the energy to do the thing. Okay, first of all, caffeine makes you more anxious. Okay, there's a lot of you go on. There's a lot of studies that show caffeine makes you anxious. And you already feel that as well when you drink too much coffee, too much tea, eat too much chocolate. You feel agitated, more anxious. No, that is a no-no. What you want to do when you want to do is have a good, healthy breakfast. You drink a healthy breakfast, right? With lots of fruits and vegetables, right? Your mom says you might want to eat your mom says you got to eat your broccoli and spinach and a lot and asparagus, and like, mama, I don't want to eat that. No, no, don't give me that. Well, you're gonna have to eat that for breakfast. Yeah, it will give you some energy as well, some fruits as well. It's and also drink plenty of water as well, right? Eat some more uh, natural food that will help give you some of that energy. Uh, you know, stay away from eating junk food as well. I forgot to mention that eating Doritos for breakfast, or eating stay away from like burrito, like anything like junk food. Eat more healthy food, homemade healthy food. Eat some fruits and vegetables. Drink plenty of water. That is going to give you natural energy to do your exam. Okay. Stay away from caffeine and junk food. I forgot to put that in. So good thing I put that in. Okay. I know. Okay. I know a lot of Okay. So I hope I give you that tip. Now, the second thing is, yeah, you're like, a shocker. This is going to be a shocker. Math tests have multiple choice. Yeah. It's like, yeah, it's math class. How there's multiple choice? Yes, there's multiple choice. But this is a strategy to do with multiple choice. Use process of elimination. You decide, okay, which answers you look at a question that's multiple choice. You look at it and say, okay, which one is, uh, it's obviously wrong. Cross it out, okay? And then, and cross it out, right? So cross out the ones that the choices that are is wrong. That's what I mean by process of elimination, okay? Number two, another strategy I want to talk to you is about, when the math question, you're gonna that's not doesn't have to be involved doing calculations. They can ask your teacher might ask you to write, explain why this is the case, explain that, right? I want you to, when you have a question like that, do not write an essay. This is a math class, not an English class. Get to the point. Be concise. Focus on answering their question, right? You waste so much time writing the question down, okay? So please get to the point. Do not write a lot. Get to the point. Another thing I want to give you is that if you don't know the answer to a question, just move on to the next question and come back to it later. Don't ponder on that question, okay? Move on to the next question, okay? And my last one I want to talk to you about is worry about what you can control and do not worry about what you cannot. Okay, you do not have control over the results in the test. I know a lot of you want to get A plus, or a lot of you want to just pass your test. Well, you don't have control over that. But what you do have control is what you write in the test. Okay, so focus on trying to, that's what I'm saying. Focus on trying to show your work and try to complete as many questions as you can. Okay, instead of worrying about getting a certain grade on the test. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you feel this video will benefit your fellow classmates, or or if you share this video with others that might benefit from this. Also, in the comments below, write your strategies of preparing for a math test and a test, or what are your strategies for preparing for a math test. It I recommend, and any comment, any comment, and any comments to, yeah, I'd like to hear your comments about what strategy you would do to prepare for a math test. And yes, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, it will help me a lot to grow my channel is by you subscribing. So please, it doesn't cost anything, just subscribe to my channel. uh, um, yeah, and please, yeah, and please hit the notification bell so that you're notified of some of my videos. And again, just to remind you that if you need help with high school math or high school statistics, uh, please email me. Email me. My email is in the description below. Uh, and again, I'm just like, you know my phrase: "Let the math force be with you." Okay, that's a good saying. So let the math force be with you. So bye for now, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and peace. Oh no, chill, chill, peace. Yeah, bye for now. I gotta get a new saying.